Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. For those of you new to my channel, I'm Sandy. Today, I have a collection of dollar store pillowcases and table mats that we're going to turn into 5 throw cushions and pillows. This project will require no sewing, and each throw pillow will take only a few minutes to make. And the best part is these cushions only cost $2 to make, but look like high-quality cushions that came from a high-end home decor store. For our first throw cushion, we will need one of these thick fabric table mats. The material is quite thick and comes with a black and white zigzag design. The fringes on the edges will also give our throw cushion an extra design element. We'll also be using one of these microfiber cloths, which I found in the auto section of my local Dollar Tree. The material is super soft and has a little stretch to it. To begin, I'm going to lay out the table mat flat onto my surface. Then I will overlay the microfiber cloth on top and line up the edges of the cloth to the table mat. You will also want to make sure that the microfiber cloth is laid on top of the table mat with the tag facing up. If you prefer, you could simply cut off the tag, but just make sure you snip it off without cutting any of the fabric. Once I have folded down about a ½ inch of the microfiber cloth, then it's time to adhere it to the table mat. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in to today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once we're done one side, repeat the same steps on the adjacent side until 3 sides are glued together, 2 of the longer sides and 1 of the shorter side. Make sure you keep one of the shorter sides open so you can insert some stuffing or, in my case, an old cushion that no longer goes with my decor. You can see how quick and easy it is to make this cushion cover using hot glue. One of my viewers asked me what type of hot glue sticks I use because hers never sticks well to the things she is gluing. From my experience, it's usually the temperature of the hot glue gun that is most important. If you're using a low temperature hot glue gun or a hot glue gun made for children's arts and crafts, it may not get hot enough to be effective for heavier gluing. The glue sticks I use are nothing fancy, and I typically switch between dollar store glue sticks or the lowest cost glue sticks I can find on Amazon in bulk. However, I did make a small investment on my glue gun, and I found mine works much more effectively than the dollar store ones. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I close up that opening afterwards? I will show you a very quick and easy trick using Velcro tape. Just take a strip of Velcro tape, cut to size, and stick the sticky side to the inside of the opening. And repeat with a second strip on the other piece of the fabric. Now you can easily and conveniently open and close the cushion cover. It makes it so easy when you need to wash the cover. And here's what our first throw pillow looks like. The throw pillow is double-sided, and depending on your mood and the decor in the room, you may choose to showcase the black and white zigzag side or the crisp white side. For our second throw cushion, we are going to use another table mat. This one is much thinner and is silky. It's also smaller than the first table mat we used. But similar to the first cushion cover, we are going to overlay another microfiber cloth on top and repeat the same steps to glue the two fabrics together. You'll notice with this cushion cover that I'm folding over a much larger section of the microfiber cloth, since it is considerably larger than the table mat. But the same technique applies here in adhering the two materials together. Once the three sides are glued together, apply a strip of Velcro tape at the opening, one for each flap. Then slip in some stuffing or an old cushion like I'm doing. And here's the final look for our second throw pillow. And if you flip it around to showcase the soft white side, it provides a beautiful contrast that matches our black and white floral design and is a perfect contrast to the white microfiber cloth that we will attach. Here you can see I'm spending a bit more time playing with the fabrics to see how I can line them up. And because the pillowcase is much larger than the microfiber cloth, I've decided to fold over a couple of inches of the pillowcase. You will see that I have placed the microfiber cloth right on top of the pillowcase, but I will be applying a slightly different strategy to make this cushion cover, as we will be flipping it inside out after we're done. And here you can see I'm turning the cover inside out, and the seams are staying strong and fully intact. And here's the final look for this pillow cover. The one side is nice and soft and thick, and the flip side is double-sided with a silky smooth surface. For our next throw pillow, we will use another pillowcase. This one is a cotton material, also black and white, but with a square geometrical design. Once the cover is done, slip a pillow inside, and here's the final look. For our fifth and final throw pillow, we are going to use this thin cotton pillowcase that comes in a lighter white-gray pattern. You can see here the opening has quite a bit of extra fabric, but that's because once we place the pillow or cushion inside, we will fold over the flap to close the opening. Here's the final look for our last cushion cover. And here are all of the throw pillows we made today. These were also so easy and quick to make. And each one is double-sided so you can change up the look of your room depending on which side of the cushion you display. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, hit the notification bell and stay tuned because in the coming weeks, I will show you how to use the same microfiber cloths to help make over an old beat-up bench. Hope to see you all soon.